Hey, what's up everyone, Jelani here. Welcome to the next video, guys, where we're going to actually order our first product. Okay, guys, so the day has come where we actually got our first sale. So what we sold was this portable coffee maker, okay? And I was telling you guys that this was probably going to do really well just based on the engagement that this ad was getting, and it's still getting crazy engagement. As you can see here, the organic is slowly creeping on the paid, meaning that more people are being organically reached than paying for them, right? So once that happens, that means a post is on its way to going viral, right? So this is super cool. Okay, so we got our first sale. What I did was we just switched over to the purchase conversion. And what's cool about the purchase conversions and conversions in general is that as more people start to take that action, as more people start to buy things, the pixel gets smarter. Okay, the pixel starts to understand what it takes for someone to buy. Like, who's that person that's going to buy from you, right? So it's going to show the ad more and more to those people who are similar to the person who last bought, right? So it just gets smarter as time goes on. So let me show you some of this data for this product here. So you can see that we've got a lot of action going on here. And a lot of people saying they want it, a lot of people saying they need this. And what happens a lot of the times, a lot of people will say they want something but they don't buy, which is why we're going to retarget them. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So you can see here where it says see response, see response, see response, see response, see response. That's all from ManyChat, guys. So I actually made a second part to the Facebook advertising section of this course, and I actually made it strictly on chatbots. So guys, go watch that video, okay? Go watch those videos so you can learn about how you can automatically send messages to people, right? So as soon as that person comments, they're going to get a message, and if I click on see response, you're going to see the type of message that they would get, right? So, hey, first name, thank you for checking out our mini presso. You can get it here, right? So super cool stuff. Definitely go check out that video. So what we're going to do now is we're going to actually order the product from AliExpress. Okay, so once you get your first orders in, what you want to do is you want to head over to AliExpress. I'm going to go do it in Chrome, actually. You're going to sign in, create an account and sign in. So AliExpress has gotten a little more strict with who can use their services. Not saying that you can't, but you're going to have to send in some information like your ID and I believe a credit card or like debit card, just so they can verify that you are who you say you are, right? Once you do that, it's a one-step process, but there are some times where you are going to get errors, and I'm going to show you what to do when you get those errors. Okay, so I'm going to head over to AliExpress. I'm here now, so I'm going to type in portable coffee maker, and originally we saw the price was $68 on Ecom Hunt, but I actually found a vendor that sells it for $30. So I'm going to search by orders, and you can see here this one has it for $38. All right, this company has it for $35. All right, but they have a 96.8, so we probably won't want to order from them. So what I'm doing is just trying to find someone that has good reviews, good feedback. That way we can keep ourselves safe when it comes to shipping things, okay? So that has a 98. And we have to find something, because what I did was I lowered the price to $50, okay? Just because I wanted to get those initial sales in. Like I was telling you guys, you want to get those initial sales in so then you can get that data, right? So your pixel can get smarter. So let's see. Let's open up this one. They have a 97.5. They've been open for 1 year, so that kind of makes me a little weird about it. Let's go back. Let's see. And you see where it says no e-packet. We don't want that. We want e-packet, right? Only e-packet. All right, this one looks okay. 97.2. All right, so we're gonna order this from this company, okay? Just because they have a 97.2, it's $38. and it's free shipping via e-packet. So all we have to do, right, is click on, if there's a variant, just click on the variant that you want to order. There's no variant here, so we don't have to do that, but make sure that it says e-packet. United States via e-packet, that's good, $38. Yep. So we're going to add this to cart, okay? And then we're going to view shopping cart. And now we're going to place buy from this seller. If you were to order more things, and you had different items, different vendors, you can click buy all, but we're just going to click buy from this seller. All right, and we're going to edit this data here. So all you have to do is click edit, and then you can start putting in the information that the customer put in. So to find the information, I actually made a mistake. Let me tell you the mistake I made. So what I did was I was editing my landing page, right? And what I did was I did not put in a section for them to put in their name, right? I just added this today. It just had their put in your email address, your shipping address, and your credit card information, then we'll ship it. But I did not put a full name. So thankfully, this customer actually has a Gmail account that has their first name in it, so I can just use that. So what I'm going to do, typically what I would do is I would go to sales, and I would want to view the details. But again, there's no name here. So for this instance, I'm going to go back into my contact section and then click on the unknown name. That way we can get their information, okay? But typically what I would do is download purchases. And I'm going to show you guys what I do to send out information to my VA. I'm going to show you guys that process. But for now, I just want to show you guys individual. This is the first order, so it's just one thing. It's not like a mass amounts of orders, right? So this is Stephanie, right? So we're going to put this, copy that name. Stephanie, and then her last name is all right, and she lives in Canada, so we have to change that to Canada. All right, and then we have to find her. She lives in Quebec, and the city is Quebec too. So let's actually find her address though first. This is her address, that's her street. All right, put that in here. And this is why you want to hire a VA, because this can take so long, right? It could take a while. I don't see Quebec here. Oh, yes, I do. So the city is Quebec City. All right. And then her zip code is... And then for mobile, guys, what we're going to do here is we're going to put in, I think I messed up. Yeah, there's an 8 here, 2K8. So, put 8. Okay. So for mobile, guys, we're just going to put in our phone number, okay? We're going to put in our store number that we bought earlier, okay? So I'm going to head over to the funnel. And I'm just going to quickly open this page and just quickly copy this number here. And then put that number in this section, okay? So no hyphen, so take away the hyphen, take away the parentheses as well. All right, and now we're gonna save and ship to this address. So every time you wanna put in an order, you can just click edit, and then you can edit the information there. But you want to put this important line of text in this box, okay? Make sure you do not forget to put this line of text in this box, okay? So you're gonna say, hi, please do not include any promotional materials or invoices, okay? Thank you. Why? Because we don't want that person to get promotional items from China saying, you know, discount here, discount there. And also, we don't want them to see the original price of the product, right? We don't want them to see that we paid $38 for it and then they paid $50, right? So we got to make sure that we tell the vendor, please do not include any promotional materials or invoices, right? So all you have to do here is pay with the card. So you're going to put in your card information. I already have my card associated with this account, so it's going to automatically take it out. But let me show you the error that happens sometimes, right? So if I click confirm and pay, all right, it's going to give me this error. right? System error, the system is busy, please try again. Okay, so what we're gonna have to do is you're gonna go to your order list. So go to AliExpress order list, all right? And it's gonna save the order. It's not going to erase all that information you just put in, but you're gonna click pay now, and you're gonna click other payment methods. So click pay now, and you're gonna click pay now, and it's gonna work, okay? You have to do this to override AliExpress's error message that they get. And I've contacted them. A lot of people have contacted them within the space, and they say that there's no issue, right? But of course there is. So that's how you order a product. It's that simple. Just make sure that you put in your information. Make sure that you give AliExpress, the ID that you want and the credit card statement, I believe, that you need to have in order to create an account with AliExpress. And then once you do that, if you get that error, like I said, just, don't worry, just go back to your order list, click pay now, go to other payment methods, and then click pay, right? So now this successful payment. So that person who paid me $50, I made $12 profit, which is not that much, but I'm going to gradually increase that price once I get those sales. I have to drop the price down so I can get that initial bunch of people to get into the pixel data, can populate and get smarter. And then once that happens, you just gradually increase it, $5 here, $2 here, right? And then you just kind of find a level, right? You find a level that you will just consistently make sales, all right? So that's how we order products on AliExpress. I'm super excited to show you guys how to do the retargeting sequences and how to make lookalike audiences. But I want to make sure that this pixel is getting the right data. We're going in the right track with this product, as you can see from the ad engagement, right? People are really excited about it. People want it. So I really think this can go far. So we're going to keep going, and I'll update you guys with another video maybe in a day or two just to see where we're at. And then I'm going to check in with you guys and see how your funnels are doing, right? So make sure that you're watching these videos in sequence so you can follow along the process and see how I'm doing everything, because you don't want to miss out on some important steps, right? That's it for today, guys. Tomorrow there'll be a new video, so if you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe and hit that alert button so you know when that video drops. I know you probably want more information, but I want to take it really step by step and slow so you guys understand what I'm talking about. So if you want to see that video, subscribe, hit the alert button. I can't wait to see you there.